Are you a baker or caterer looking for a convenient and reliable way to transport your delicious cakes? Look no further. Introducing our 11 to 12 cake containers carriers, the perfect solution for displaying and protecting your cakes. This 5-cake display combo pack includes 5 gray 12 inches trays, 5 clear high dome lids, and 5 10 inches corrugated white cake boards. With this set, you can beautifully present your cakes while ensuring their freshness and integrity. The high dome lid is tall enough to accommodate cakes with 2 to 3 layers that are up to 12 inches in diameter. Not only does it provide ample space for your cakes, but its clear design also allows your guests to have a fantastic view of the entire product. When it comes to protecting your cakes, our snap-on lid is a game changer. It securely snaps onto the tray, keeping your cake safe from damage until it's time to serve. Additionally, this design helps to lock in freshness by keeping out unwanted air. We understand the importance of reliability, which is why our tray features a reinforced design. The molded-in honeycomb pattern increases its rigidity, providing extra strength and ensuring your cakes stay intact during transport. It's perfect for bakeries, grocery stores, caterers, and even for home use. But what about the cake boards? We've got you covered. Made of sturdy, single-wall C-flute corrugated cardboard, these durable circles can support even the heaviest of cakes. The crisp, white coloring of the top ensures that your cakes look fresh and that your vibrant colorful icings and intricate designs stand out for a stunning appearance. Now, let's talk dimensions. The overall dimensions of these cake containers are 12 inches in diameter and 5.5 inches in height. The interior dimensions are slightly smaller, with a diameter of 11 inches and a height of 5.25 inches. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you're located internationally, you may need an adapter or converter to use it with your outlets and voltage. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. So, if you're ready to elevate your cake transportation game, click on the link in the description to get your 11 to 12 cake containers carriers today. Don't let your delicious creations go unnoticed, display them with pride.